Hello, welcome to JunkWithSteph. I am doing a flip through today of this field guide junk journal that I've completed finally. And yeah, it's kind of like bird themed. I mean, it's bird themed, but it's not like majorly bird themed. It's mostly just nature and pretty green things like that. So yeah, I found this really pretty brooch pin, and it's like one of those cloak pins. But I think it looked so pretty on this cloth that I dyed and grunged up. This is just muslin, and I made it really, really vintage. And it's all just distress ink and alcohol inks. It's not actually dirty. I love it. And I also really love this brooch, so I thought it looked really cute on the closure, but you could use it for whatever you want. In the pictures that I post along with this, when I list it, you will see this, and this is a new addition to my collection, actually. And this just makes it so that I don't have to have my stupid thumbs in photos anymore. This holds the book open for me. And so if you see this is not included in any of the journals, but it will be featured in all of my journals from now on, at least photos, because I'm going to use it to make listing photos with, because it actually holds open the book. But anyway, long story short, here is a field guide of the birds of Texas, and I loved this book so much, and it's so cute, so I wanted to keep it mostly as is, and I chose to put some craft, it's almost like construction paper, but it's craft colored, on the cover, and on the spine rather, just to reinforce it. There was a little bit of, when I took the pages out, obviously, it was a little bit of maybe slicing and stuff along the edges, as happens when we do this. So I figured reinforcing was good. I liked the ruler on the background of this. It's so cute and unexpected. I didn't put it there, but I left it because it's amazing. Okay, let me make sure that I'm in frame and we will get into the book. It's awesome bird pin. Okay, so when you first open the book, this is what it looks like. This is the original inside cover. I absolutely adore the blackbird. It also continues, if I can reach it, all the way to the back. So original inside and backside cover, intact, so pretty, had to. This is a hidden spine, so you don't have to worry about grossness on the outside. It's all been secured. It's in here very nicely. It's not going anywhere. So yeah, I absolutely love this cover piece. And yeah, I mean, it's got some staples in it. It's got some seam binding. It was this like corrugated cardboard underneath here, and you can still kind of hear the crunchiness, but it kind of flattened out. I'm a little sad about it. It looked cooler. There's ghost remnants of ripples up here from the cardboard, so I mean, you can tell, and if you experience the crunch, it is nice. But yeah, it still came out gorgeous, and I could not be happier with the aesthetics of it. So I love this whole front piece. Moving on, yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and flip through and let you guys see the glory that is this nature bird themed field journal. So yeah, I'll catch you at the end. And that's it. That's the journal complete. And it's not too bad of an alligator mouth. But it does also sit open pretty nicely if you need it to. Not too bad. You probably could condition it to be a little less thick. You could also take some of the ephemera out, and that would also make it sit flat. I like just go ahead and adding this absolutely adorable little tie. So yeah, that is the field guide journal, and I hope that you like it. And if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below, leave a comment, let me know what you think of it, and check out my Ko-fi. This is where this will be for sale. I keep saying Ko-fi. I don't know if it's Ko-fi or Kofi. Either way, the link will be down below. And yeah, I hope you guys have an excellent weekend, and I'll catch you guys next time.